Greetings, I'm Crazy Nelly, and welcome back to Spelunky. Darn it, I didn't mean to do that. But we're gonna get this pug friend to the other side. We finally made it past the tutorial. It's one of those games where even the tutorial kills you 6 times. To where I'm like, oh my god, would you please just let me win? Okay. Boom. How can there be a snake? Okay, another one. I think these first runs are mainly going to be... Come on, come on. Don't you run away from me. So I gotta try not to... Oh! Oh, stop it. I don't want to hit him. He's my buddy. Oh! There, I got you. I got you, man. And I guess I can sit him down like the bombs. I'm not sticking around for the ghost. I don't think there is an idol here. Come here, give me puppy kisses. Yeah. Okay. More gold. Journal entry added. Spinner spider. Woo! I got you, buddy. We'll get out of here. I do like that it makes me rescue things like dogs. I might just change it to dog permanently. Because, you know, I like people, but I like dogs better. I'd much rather rescue a dog. But he's a cute little pug. Oh! I can never tell what's too much of a distance for you. I'm gonna sit you down gently. Ooh. Buy climbing gloves. Buy bomb box. You stay here for a moment. I'll be back for you in a moment. Come on. If I just keep... So I now have a lot of bombs. Snakes are cowards. There, now I can get back. Assuming that... No! More sapphires. Okay, I need to get back to get my dog friend. Especially since my health is getting low. Okay, that's a start. And I do get more No! Darn it. Come on. Ah! Slippy slip. Uh-oh, no. Oh, don't make me abandon my dog. Fine. No! Now I'm just stuck with one heart because of you. Yeah, I know I got loot, but I left the dog behind. I'm not happy about this. Uh-oh. Ho! What happens if I get to you? We're gonna try it. Ow! I wanted to know what that was! I finally find something really cool and interesting and you kill me. Thank you for Why would you start in there? That's mean. I dig, like, this 80s synth soundtrack to this game. It doesn't match it all that much, but I like it. Makes it feel like an arcade game, even though I don't really view this as an arcade game. I mean, it has things that remind me of, like, weird things that don't really match it at all, but awesome things, like Mortal Kombat music. Boom! Oh! How did you miss? Oh! You killed him! Fine! It's a bad run. That pissed me off. I hear snakes. I hate snakes. God, I move so slow if I don't hold the button down. $1,500. Nothing to sneeze at. Oh, guns? Fascinating. Shotgun, web gun, bomb bag, spike shoes. Cool. Cool. Does it kill things? I'll take it, whatever it does. I want to know what it does. A. I'll get you. Oh. No. I want to know if it kills things. No, it holds them in place. That's not really the same thing. Yeah, that was a bad purchase, now that I know that it doesn't kill things. Okay. I mean, it's cool and all, but... Come on. No. Stop whipping him. Pick him up. There we go. You go in. Stupid arrow traps. What else is here? Okay. There we go. There we go. We can get out of here and get one heart back. Interesting and very... Climbing gloves. Jetpack. Bomb box. Mystery box. How can I resist? Ooh. What's that do? Journal entry added. Freeze ray! Why is it yellow? It has recoil. It does break things. I don't know, I kind of like the random quality to it. I might not just keep it entirely to that. Now what's this thing? I saw this thing earlier. What is this thing? I want to know what it does. Arrow to the face. Darn it. We're getting somewhere, though. We're getting a little further. But not too much further to my annoyance. I think I'm calling it here for today for Spelunky, so for the stream, I'm going to switch over to something else. But we got a little further. I'm learning. I didn't know we had guns in this game. Now I do. But I'm going to have to try a bit harder. Keep going. Further and further. It's more skill than upgrades, it seems. So, if you like what you saw, if you like me going just a wee bit further, hit the like button. And as always, with the nothing but